Hi, I have a Bean Air MX tubing, and the light on the handpiece quit working, and I called their support, and the guy ran me through a few tests, and we determined that the tubing itself had a short in it. And one thing he had me do was use a voltmeter, and then I think it was the black and the brown leads, but you're supposed to get like 3 volts, and if there was a short in it, you only get 2 or something when you're hooking it, when you're back in the unit. But anyway, I bought a new one, but I figured there must be a way to repair this thing, and I saw another video out there where a guy made some machined some parts to help undo these. This thing is not very easy to undo. There, right here, there's a joint that unscrews, and in order to do that, there's only these little tongs or little indentations here at the bottom that you need some sort of tool to hold, and then the top part here you need to find something to hold that with too, so you can unscrew it. And so I came up with this little gadget here that's got the screws have little ends that I made smaller so that they fit into those little notches there, and then this thing here slides on over the top, so I can use this to then unscrew the unit. So this thing snaps into place, and then I kind of eyeball here where that groove is and tighten these other ones, and then insert this screw. Tighten that. Tighten these other ones. So the first time I did this, it was really tough. I had to use kind of a pliers on these and get a little more leverage, but I've done this before, so I've loosened it. So this comes apart now. So the top piece and the bottom piece are separate. And undo this. So now this part comes, these pieces come apart. This part is still attached. You still need something else to get in there. There's this black part here that just is a raceway that kind of spins around. But there's some real tiny little holes, and I've got this little pliers for springs and that have little ends, and I'm able to get that into a couple of those holes, and then I can turn and unscrew this part. So then that comes apart. This piece actually comes into 2 pieces if you wanted to. Somehow the first time I took it apart it was already separate, but this black piece with the bearing in there, you can take it apart from this piece here, and that's what holds it on there. So now what you can do is this piece comes off, and there's a couple of little washers and that in there, and they're real small, so make sure that you don't lose them. And now you can start to get your tubing apart. There we go. So then you can pull this apart and find what pieces are broken, and in my case this brown wire here was separated, so I'll splice that back together and solder it and put a little shrink wrap tubing and put it back together, and then I'll have a spare one. So these ones are a little bit more tricky, I think, but that's how Again, this is the Bean Air, the hose for electric handpiece. So, hope that helped you out. Thanks.